Russian friendship. I'm glad that the recent high-level interaction between our two countries have laid the foundation for a deeper engagement and greater understanding. Pakistan regards Russia as an important global power, a key player in ensuring regional peace and stability. In the backdrop of rising tensions between Pakistan and India, Russia can and is playing a significant role to de-escalate the current situation. Looking ahead, I am confident that bonds of friendship between Pakistan and Russia will continue to grow stronger. We have immense potential to expand our cooperation in trade, investment, technology, and people-to-people contacts. We also reaffirm our commitments to building bridges of understanding and cooperation between our two nations. Let us work together for a better future for the region and the world. Long live Pakistan-Russia friendship. Zindabad.